Hello students, welcome to one more session of our topic HTML. In today's session, we are going to learn some new topics, that is definition list, nested list and block quotes tag in HTML. If you remember, in our previous session, we have studied about how we can insert background image or background picture in our HTML page, and what about ordered and unordered list. Today we are going to study about the definition list, the nested list and the block quote tags. Now first of all, let's see what is the meaning of definition list. Before this, we have studied about the order and the unordered list. Similar to that one, we have the definition list also, but definition list is a bit different from ordered and the unordered list. Basically, definition list is used for defining any of the term. That means if you want to define any term or any word, then we can take the help of the definition list tag. How we can use this definition list tag, you can see from here. Like we have the DL tag. DL tag is used to start the definition list. Then we have the DT tag. DT tag is used to define the item name or the definition which we want to describe. Then we have the DD tag, that means the definition description tag, which is used to give the description of that particular item. Then we have the nested list. Nested list means one list inside one more list. We have studied about the ordered list class. Now if you are able to make one more list inside that ordered or the unordered list, then we can call it as a nested list. You can see from the example, like we have the main list as the fruit. Inside the fruit main list, we have the categories of the fruits as bananas, apples. Then we have the colors, as inside the apples we have the colors of the apples as green and the red apple. So these one are known as the nested list. Then we have one more fruit name that is pears, that is also comes under the nested list. Then we have the main list again, vegetables, and then the meat. Nested list can be in the form of the ordered also and the unordered list also. Now let's see all these things through the practical. Now in today's session, I just want a web page like this. You can see the page is displayed on my right hand side, in which I have given the heading as definition list HTML, that is in bold. Then I have one more heading in the center, that is definition list. Then I am having the terms to be defined, that is HTML language, and then the website terms I have defined. Then I have the nested list, again a heading in the center, and then I am having the nested list like this regarding the input devices. Now let's see the coding, students. The coding starts again, as we all know, from the HTML tag. Then we have the head tag. Then we have the title tag. Title tag gets closed over here. Head tag gets closed over here. Then for giving the background color of our web page, we have chosen the color as yellow, as you can see from here. Then the heading tag starts. For definition list in HTML, I have chosen the heading tag, the very first heading tag, that is H1 tag. Then I am giving the definition list heading with the H2 tag, that is the second level of heading, that is H2, and the alignment will remain as center. Font color I want as red. It means the text should be displayed in a red. Therefore I have chosen the font color as red. Now the main thing which we are going to learn is the definition list tag. As I told you, DL is going to define the list, that is DL. Then DT, which term I want to define. For example, I want to define the term as HTML language. So that will be displayed with the DT tag. That means this tag. And then DD tag. DD means data description tag. In data description tag, I want to describe my definition, like HTML is a software which is used to design web pages, and it creates interactive web pages with graphics and sound. This is my description for my definition. Now the second definition which I want to describe as website. So again I have chosen DT tag. Then to describe that, I have chosen DD tag. Website is the collection of web pages, and then font tag closed. So this way you can use the definition list. Secondly, I want the nested list. Now look at this, how we can use a nested list. Again, H1 tag at the center. Now ordered list, here I am using the ordered list. Ordered list means 1, 2, 3, 4 or ABCD in that manner. I have given that as bold and underline tagging. Now under the ordered list, the first item can be represented by the LI tag. The first item is input devices, as you can see in the output window also, and LI tag closed. Under the LI tag, I want the nested list of keyboard, mouse and scanner. So what I have done, I have used the UL tag because I want these keyboard, mouse and scanner under the unordered list, or you can say in the form of bullets. So I have used in this manner, unordered list tag closed, and then we can close the ordered list tag. So this way we can create the nested list. Then at the last we have the block quote. Block quote is basically used to display any of the things separately from your text. That means if you want to display anything that should be displayed separately from your text, then you can use the block quote tag. So we have used the block quote tag. This is used to display quotation, block quote tag closed, body closed, and then HTML tag closed. This way we can create the nested list also, block quote also, and this thing, definition list also in HTML. You can see the output over here. You can see it clearly. This one is the definition tag and the nested list. So this much is for today, students. Thank you. Have a good day.